my smile.
Hi lovelies, how are you? I'm hoping that you guys are doing well. For me over here, I'm doing awesome, and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look over here. You know, this extra long ponytail. So guys, without wasting a lot of time, let's do this video. Doing an updo, and this is my extension. I bought these it's a lash hair, it's a weave from Lash Hair, and recently I'm loving their products, by the way. They're really awesome. So this is color 2/30, and actually you can tone, you can flat iron, but they have you have a specific amount of degrees that you're supposed to use. It's 150 to 200. So I'm going to use this as my extension. Yes guys, so let's do this thing. Yeah, so guys, first thing first, you have to comb through your hair, and that's what I'm doing. Definitely I'm using the wide toothed comb. Yeah, and then after that I'm using this leave-in treatment that I had remained with from the Vitale hair relaxer. It was a lot, and so I kept it. So I'm using, instead of using water to damp my hair, I'm using this to protect my hair. Yeah, and then after that I'll be brushing through to make sure that everything is in order and to bring each and every strand of my hair together. Yeah, and I'm not doing a lot, guys. After that we'll just go into the extension, and then I'm using Eco to also help me hold everything, but I'm using a very little amount of Eco gel. I'm not so good. I don't love gels because I know that they can really mess your hair. And then after that, again, I'm brushing through my hair to make sure that everything is in order. Every strand of my hair is where I want it to be. Yeah, and I'm also going to use splits to make sure that I'm holding everything. So I'll be using splits later on. Yeah, and then after that, I'm using my hairband to hold my hair tight. Yes guys, just like that. Okay, so at this point I'm loving everything. Yeah, so after that, now we start the process of doing our extension. Because I want my extension to be long, I'm going to use braids to extend the ponytail, whereby I'll be attaching my weave, the weave that I'm using as my hair extension. So I'm using braid to kind of plait some the three strand method, but since I want it to be long, I have to extend that ponytail. Okay, yeah, so I'm extending as I'm adding some braids to make it longer up to where I feel like now I'm okay. And then after that, I'll be cutting the extra part. After cutting the extra part, now I'll be using pins to attach my weave. Okay, you can use a needle and thread. You can sew it in, but for me, I wanted something that I can fix very fast, and it's actually, it can stay on my head for like 1 week. Yeah, but for me, I never wanted to sew in. I just wanted to use pins because it's very easy as I continue. Okay, yeah, so at this point I think this is the right length that I want. And then you make 2 knots to make it tight and to secure it, and then you cut the excess. As you can see what I'm doing, yeah, that's the way I'm trying to explain it here. And then now I take, because it has like 6 bundles, I take the first bundle and a pin, the bobby pins. You take the bobby pin, you attach it to your weave, and then you make it go through this extension. I don't know if you understanding what I'm saying. Yeah, so that is the bobby pin. I will attach it to the one end of my weave, and then I will attach it to my extension. Okay, then after that I'm going to fold the bobby pin. I'm going to fold it and to make sure that no one can see it. Okay, yeah, just like that. So now I've secured my weave, and then I've secured my starting point. After that, now I'm just going to take this weave and go through this extension that I had made. Are we together, guys? Yeah, so that's basically what I'm going to do. That's it. And then after now the weave is over, I'm going to take another bobby pin, attach to the end of it, and then take another new bundle and attach to the same bobby pin, and then I secure them on the ponytail. I'm hoping, guys, that you're understanding. Okay, yeah, so that bundle is over. Now I've taken a bobby pin, yeah, and then I'm holding the end of my extension, yeah, and then I'm combing through. Then the same pin, I'm going to take a new bundle of weave, and I'm going to secure it using the same this same pin that you're seeing there. That's why I've never hidden it. And then that's what I'll be doing, guys. That's what I'll be really doing. And that is it, guys. So let's do this thing and see how it comes out. Yeah, guys, so I'm done, and now it's time for me to comb this extension, because of course it has tangled a little bit because I'm surrounding, but it's not that tangled. So yeah, and then I'm going to take part of that extension from the back and cover my base, yeah, to make it at least look more natural. And then after that, I'm just going to comb through, and that is normally it. And then apply hair sheen and apply hair glossing, you know that thing, and that is it. Yeah, that is it. And you can see the hair is literally giving, and it's snatching, and I'm loving it, guys. Yeah, and it looks good. So if you're that kind of a person who loves long extension, guys, here you are. You need to try this. You need to really to try this, because you can fix it very fast and you look beautiful, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, see you in the next video. Yeah, and take care of yourself, and always love yourself, guys, and see you, and bye bye.